Hello and welcome to another update video about Enjin Coin. Again, Enjin Coin, one of these coins where that was actually suggested originally by you guys, and otherwise I wouldn't have really noticed Enjin Coin, but I'm glad that you suggested it in the comments because it's doing really well. And I've been covering Enjin Coin now, I think since September, and yeah, we've been pretty good at sort of assuming what will happen. I mean, I showed you the patterns and we did the breakouts and so on. And now we've actually done another breakout. On the weekend, I made a video talking about this inverse head and shoulder. And again, I did a few videos today about other coins, which are in the same pattern. And you can see very beautifully what can happen when one of the coins actually breaks this pattern. And yes, people will now say, yeah, Bitcoin is responsible for that. And yes, to a degree, Bitcoin is. I think, as always, it's the whole market which influences certain coins. Bitcoin is leading the way, of course. However, if you have other coins which are not in this pattern, right, and they might not have broken out that much. So if you have a cryptocurrency that is at a breakout point and then you have a catalyst like you had with Bitcoin, then these can really pump quite a bit. And that is then where you have a breakout point, a clearly defined breakout point where also you can enter a trade if you want to. Again, never financial advice here. Made a video 4 days ago about Enjin Coin and said that a breakout would be imminent. We were up here. Now the breakout wasn't that imminent. We did another reiteration around it, yeah, because that probably would have been too easy here. So we had to go another way, go down and do another higher low. And now we have obviously the breakout today. And this is what could happen with VeChain as well, right? So VeChain is just about to break out of that horizontal as well. And now obviously, Enjin Coin has done that. Now it seems to be finding some resistance here at this level at 186, or maybe support. And we're going to zoom in on the hourly chart in a minute to take a closer look at that. And that is that previous high here from the 9th of September. Overall, Enjin Coin looking really good. I think with the last video we made when it was just at around 165 or so, or 170. So yeah, nice profit since then. By the way, if you want me to cover different cryptocurrencies which might be about to break out, where we can identify clear patterns, then let me know in the comments. But yeah, what can we see here? Let me go into the hourly and we zoom in and take a look at what Enjin Coin is actually doing. So yeah, you can actually see we don't find resistance. We actually broke through that level, and that is very powerful. We broke through basically two key resistance levels in one go. That is how powerful Enjin Coin at the moment is. And you can see all of this volume. That's huge. In just a few hours. And we broke through that critical level here at 174, 175, and then that other one here at 185, 186. So that is critical. Had we stayed below that second level here, it wouldn't be that bullish, but because we have really managed to get above that level, that's really key in my opinion. We had all of these highs, we went through that neckline here of that inverse head and shoulders, and also that next level here, which is basically just that local high back here from the beginning of September. Now the next one that really is in our way is that previous high here. I think it's a bit of a range up here starting at 220. So we've got some very nice targets here to deal with. And also what we need to see, we actually in one go, we really marched through the 20-day moving average, the 50 and the 200. Well, we've just left them behind, and that's really powerful. And again, on the hourly, we can see here that we have actually already come all the way up to $2. So I would say $2 is the next level, because that is a psychological one before we can address the 220 level. Now we are currently retracing a little bit, which is no surprise after us going that far into the overbought range, nearly 90 on the hourly. So that's massive. And yeah, since that we've obviously retraced, which is no surprise. And again, we are retesting this 186 level, and that's not a problem. That's actually good, because if we can retest it successfully and then close the candle above that, and the candle will close in 5 minutes, then that would be another confirmation that we are going to hold this. Now, when is the 4 hour? The 4 hour actually closed already above that level, so it's all looking good for Enjin Coin. I think we're just now obviously retracing, need to bring the RSI down, the momentum indicator, because it has just moved up too far. So let's take a look at the Fibonacci's just at the retracement levels. Just want to see where we are at the moment. So obviously currently retracing here to that key support at 186. Now, should we really lose that, I think we could drop down to 183, which is the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. Even a drop to 180 wouldn't be a problem. That's the 0.5. And below that, we've got this previous resistance level here at 173, which is, as it happens, also perfectly the 0.618 golden pocket Fibonacci retracement level. So I think we could even drop down to 173. It wouldn't be a massive problem as long as we find support there. We could even continue our way up from here. But the less we retrace, the better, obviously, for further bullish movement to the upside. So yeah, as I said, in a few minutes, probably when you watch the video, we will have closed that hourly candle as well. And from here, we can continue our way to the upside. That's my current view. And let me know what you think. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.